So check it out. This is Seneca Rock in West Virginia, and it took from my hotel. It took about 2 hours to get here through the back roads, but this is a pretty cool place. I don't actually think I'm going to be able to climb up it today. I mean, there is a trail to get you up there, but it's really for mountain climbers and rock climbers and stuff, not for somebody like me and in my Harley boots. But check that thing out. We're gonna go see if we can get the drone up. Let's check it out. Well, it was bound to happen sooner or later. Sent the old drone up, got on the back side of the mountain there, and lost signal, and and I guess it's just going to stay up there and fly until the battery runs out, and then it'll crash. So I've been here half hour or so seeing if it'll come back, and it won't. And I can't even, because I don't have signal here, I can't even find it on the GPS. Not that I'd be able to climb up and find it anyway. So, but the footage does download to my phone, so at least I'll be able to to get the footage that it took. And good for that, because I got 2 days of the footage on there that I recorded that I haven't downloaded yet on the computer. So thank goodness it's still on the phone. But there you go. It happens. You're trying to get the cool shots, and sometimes you pay the price for them. And there goes the old Mavic drone. Somebody will find a good drone anyway, right? I don't know. Maybe somebody will see this footage and find it and send it back to me. That'd be cool.